You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from science, the name of this molecule, or compound, I should say. If you want to learn more scientific names, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from English pronunciation here. Myrcene. So British English pronunciation, Myrcene, or American English, Myrcene. How to pronounce Myrcene. It's 2 syllables, stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, Myrcene. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.